Which choice best describes the function of the underlined sentence in the text as a whole? The following text is from Edith Wharton's 1905 novel, The House of Mirth. Lily, Bart, and a companion are walking through a park. Lily had no real intimacy with nature, but she had a passion for the appropriate and could be keenly sensitive to a scene which was the fitting background of her own sensations. The landscape outspread below her seemed an enlargement of her present mood, and she found something of herself in its calmness, its breadth, and its long free reaches. On the nearest slopes was the sugar maples wavered like pyres of light. Lower down was a massing of grey orchards, and here and there the lingering green of an oak grove. So option A says it creates a detailed image of the physical setting of the scene. This is incorrect because the underlined sentence describes the scene in very general terms, describing it as calmness, its breadth, and its long free reaches. So it does not describe the physical setting of the scene, so A is incorrect. B. It establishes that a character is experiencing an internal conflict. This is incorrect and in fact completely wrong because the underlined sentence clearly shows that she was calm and sort of feeling freedom, so there was no internal conflict. So B is incorrect. C. It makes an assertion that the next sentence then expands on. This is incorrect because this second sentence, the underlined sentence, describes how she relates with nature, and the third sentence describes the slopes around her, and it doesn't describe her and her connection to nature. So C is incorrect. D. It illustrates an idea that is introduced in the previous sentence. This is correct because the first sentence highlights how Lily could be keenly sensitive to a scene which was the fitting background of her own sensations. So the first sentence highlights how Lily's emotions can connect with the scene around her. And then the underlined sentence shows how the landscape outspread below her seemed an enlargement of her present mood, and it describes her calmness, the breadth of the scene, and its long free reaches, which reflected her mood. So D is the correct answer.